Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Nadulahair wig install. Today I'll be showing you guys their 13x4 Pre-Everything transparent lace put on and go Yaki straight wig. I have this wig in 24 inches and in 150% density. Now you guys know that these Pre-Everything wigs is not new to my channel. We've done quite a few of them, and if you don't know what they are basically 13x4 lace front wigs that allow you to have a very quick wear and go wig install without having to use any type of glue nor spray. It actually comes with these ear tape adhesives, which allows a very quick install, like I said earlier. And because the lace on this wig is a full-on 13x4 ear-to-ear lace, you're actually able to do different styles if you choose to, which is what I'm showing you guys in this intro. I did 3 different styles using this one unit, so yeah, you have options. Because of everything I just mentioned, this is going to be a very beginner-friendly wig install. It's going to be super quick and easy, including the styling, so let's go ahead and move forward. As always, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing just to show you everything that comes along with the wig unit in itself. Nadula sent a lot of gifts with this wig. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. This is the hair, you guys. Again, this is a Yaki straight texture. Yaki straight is kind of the in-between of a kinky straight and a regular silky Brazilian straight. So she has texture to her, but not too much. Think about it as if your natural hair got a perm. It's kind of like that. This is a 13x4 lace frontal, and as I mentioned earlier, there is the ear tape adhesive. You do also have the silicone base around the lace that prevents your wig from slipping, and it also has the 10-tooth comb in the back, and of course the adjustable elastic band. So as always, I'm going to add some foundation onto this lace, which is something that I always do regardless of what type of lace that I have, but this one I'm definitely going to make sure I add enough because this is a transparent lace color, which means that it shows up pretty white on brown and darker skin tones, so just keep that in mind, okay? After I threw the wig on, the first thing that I like to do is get all of the little hairs away from the lace. I need to see what she's looking like, and also I noticed that the wig cap was a little big on me, even with me tightening the elastic band in the back, so we might have to add a little bit of spray. It really just depends on how this ear tape adhesive is going to work. Now when it comes to this ear tape adhesive, it is a double-sided tape, which means that one side sticks to the lace and the other side is supposed to stick to your skin. All you have to do is peel off that little beige strip and just stick it onto your skin. Now mine, for whatever reason, was not staying in place, which can get very annoying, but they do send you a lot of extras, so don't worry about it. It's annoying, but it's a quick fix. So all you have to do is just peel off that old tape and then just stick on a new one, which you guys are seeing me do right here on camera. So I'm just going to continue to press firmly and make sure that everything is secure. I did tug on it a little bit just to make sure it was secure. So yeah, it's that simple. And then I just did the same thing to the other side. Okay, so technically the install is done. I'm sliding the comb underneath the lace just to show you guys what it looks like. Now, if this wig cap fits you perfectly, then you do not have anything else to do. You can move on to styling. But for me, there were certain pieces of lace that were sticking up, especially on the sides, which is what I'm showing you guys here. So I did have to go in with just a little bit of spray, and I just tapped it right at the edges of the lace, only the areas where I needed it. I didn't have to go in with a lot of spray, just a little bit, because I just needed those little pieces of lace to stick down. Otherwise, it would have looked like my lace was lifting, and that's not cute. It's not going to look natural if I leave it that way. So as I'm allowing that spray to kind of just settle in, I'm going to go ahead and fix my middle part because we are going to start off with the middle part style today. So I'm just going to define it with my wax stick and my hot comb. This is also going to help my wig lay super flat. Now that the elastic band is off, I'm just going to dab a little bit more foundation at the edges of the lace to help her blend in a little bit more. The color was a little off being that this is a transparent lace. However, what I do appreciate is the fact that they kind of cut the lace pretty close to the natural hairline, which means that there wasn't a lot of lace that I had to blend in or work with, and that just makes my life easier. Also, as you guys noticed by now, they do send the lace pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached as well. So that goes along with the Pre-Everything wig in general and why this is considered to be a very quick wear and go beginner friendly wig, okay? But as you guys can see, that lace was looking super natural. Now let's move on. This is a Yaki straight texture, so technically you can walk out your door just like this. It looks very natural, especially on us African American girlies. It looks believable, so you can leave it just like this if you don't want to do anything else to it. But just to kind of razzle dazzle up this tutorial a little bit, and you guys know I'm extra, I'm gonna go ahead and add some layers, which is one of my favorite things to do when it comes to my wigs. I swear it just makes everything look better. I'm going to add some layers just to give the wig some shape and body, and we are going to curl her as well. So to save some time, I did one side off camera, and as you guys can see, I gave myself these loose body wave curls. This is like one of my go-to styles to do. You guys know that I love me some loose body wave curls, and I feel like the hair took to the heat and it held the curl pretty well, at least for what I like. I feel like if you want tighter curls, you're definitely gonna have to go in with a lot of more holding spray and probably smaller sections than what I did. But anyways, the first thing that I did was add some spray on the hair, and then I just brushed through the hair to make sure that the spray got on each strand. And I would say I went in with pretty much like medium to large sections. I didn't really take smaller sections with curling this hair because I already knew how I wanted the curls to look. So just like I said earlier, if you prefer tighter curls, definitely go in with smaller sections than this, okay? But I allowed the hair to stay on the curling wand for like a good 10 to 15 seconds, and then I just let her drop. Now, as far as the hair quality was great. Yaki straight texture, to me, I've never really had an issue with the texture at all, regardless of where I got it from. It's a pretty standard texture. The shedding was very minimal, and it does not tangle at all, and it does not have a smell. So yeah. So as you guys saw, I did go ahead and finger comb the hair out. I also did use my wide tooth comb as well, but this was the final result of the hair. I loved it. I love this style. You guys know by now this is like one of my go-to styles because it just looks so effortless and it's really quick and easy to achieve. So this is style number 1, you guys. Very simple, very easy. This is style number 2. All I did was pull some of the hair back. That way I can show off the hairline and this lace a little bit more. And as you guys can see, she's looking very natural. And that's why I chose this style for number 2. Lastly, we have style number 3, and I pretty much went in with a very deep side part, and because I cut the layers, it kind of gave me this little bit of a bang. I low-key wanted to cut more, but I didn't. But let me know which style was your favorite in the comment section down below. Everything will be listed in the description box. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.